Today I was here at the Idea to Plan workshop, and today was a really productive day. I think it was really eye-opening to see all of the different things you have to consider. So coming from kind of this engineer's perspective, it was eye-opening in a way to see all of the customer and consumer qualities that maybe hadn't entered our mind yet. So gives us a lot of work to do, but an exciting new avenues to pursue for us.
The biggest thing that I got out of it was an opportunity to talk through a lot of the interesting aspects of trying to develop our technology and get it out to the world.
The workshop was a great way for me to think deeply and very specifically about who my customer is, what is my value proposition, and I feel like I'm really well positioned to take the next step now.
Today we were part of the Idea to Plan workshop here at CoMotion, and it was very helpful to think a bit more like a business person rather than an engineer. We often put our researcher hats and think about technology in terms of research, but today we really got to think about what kind of commercialization avenues our work could have, so that was really great, and we got to exchange ideas with people who have entrepreneurial experience. So it was a great experience, and we look forward to continuing to learn more from CoMotion.
Before I came to this workshop, I had no idea about how to do this startup. But right now, I have plenty of idea about how to marketing, advertising for your idea, and how to develop your idea to the next level.
From this Idea to Plan workshops, I learned how to make the introduction of novel technology, and how to prepare the pitch to the venture capital to commercialize our drugs.